In this tutorial, I will show you how to navigate in Kit Virtual Grounds. In your web browser, go to virtualgrounds.kit.nl. This is a learning platform that offers engaging and interactive online courses, complements virtual workshops and co-creation meetings, remote collaborative trainings, and also hosts short-term, long-term training programs with personalized learnings. Enter your username and your password, log in, and here it displays the front page. There's a short film here that you can click on to watch. You'll find all your courses here under My Courses. If you click on it, your profile page opens. These are the courses that I am enrolled in as a student, 6 courses. Here you have a number of options. Profile is a place you can go to at the beginning, so you can edit your profile, edit your preferences, how you want to receive emails or notifications, enter your account details. You also can see the courses that you are subscribed to or enrolled in, and you can return to your courses again, to My Courses. Here you have a dashboard. If you click on dashboard, it's a customizable page. Here you can click customize and you can move around the different blocks in a position where you would like to see them. I'll stop customizing. I personally like to have it listed as a summary. You could also list it and you could just see the titles of your course. This is helpful because it will show you your progress rate for each course, how far along you are. It personalizes it and tracks your progress. Or you could also list it as a card so you can see the pictures, so you can easily identify your courses, and you can alphabetize it by the name of your course. So this is your dashboard that you can customize. Proceed to My Courses again. And if you have grades for any of your courses, you can click on grades and you will find grades that you have received for any of your course. Return to My Course. Preferences. This again offers a number of options that you can select from. Your language, for instance, your forum preferences, how you would like to receive them, your course preferences and your calendar preferences, and so forth. Go back to My Courses. You can log out here. On this side, you have your deadlines for any of your courses. It will appear here. If you have any feedback from your trainer or course coordinator or facilitator, it will appear here. And if there are any posts from colleagues or peers or other participants or teachers, the latest ones will also appear here. So next I'll go into a course so you can see more. Select the course you wish to go in, for example, this one. A number of important features. First, this side is called the navigation menu. You can click this little hamburger menu and it hides it and displays it. This side of the navigation menu lists the number of topics or sessions inside your course or learning units. The names differ per course or per training course or per training module. You'll see the participants. If you click on it, you'll see all the participants listed inside this course. If you click on general, that will take you to the first section or learning unit of this course. On the right hand side, you have different blocks. You have the calendar where you can set your own deadlines or events. You can also see course events appearing in the calendar. You have activity block here. This is a helpful block because if you click, it will show you all the different activities that appear inside this course. And if you click on it, it will bring all the feedbacks, for example, inside this course. So to go back, you follow the breadcrumbs here. It will take me back to the course. In the middle section of the screen, this is where your learning units or sessions are for each course. As you can see, they're numbered often numerically, and it will show you the learning units, objective, and so forth. Inside each learning unit, there are a number of activities, such as this one, and you are to click on each one and move on. As you click and work through an activity, at the end of it, this little box here will have a tick on it to indicate that you have completed that activity, and that's how your progress is tracked. And you can find more information about the progress here. On top, you have the course announcements from the course facilitator. On the right hand side here, there's a block where you can easily quick mail to other participants or to the course coordinator. You click compose new email. Without having to go to your own inbox or Gmail, you can easily click and email your participants from here. Here, if this is the action menu, little orange wheel bar. If you have any grades for your course, you can also click here to receive your grades. This top banner is the name of your course, and you can navigate to go back home here or back to the course here. You can also navigate to a different section or topic or learning unit in that course by going down this navigation menu. Up here is your profile. If you click on it, it will take you back to your profile page or back to your dashboard, to your profile, any messages and any preferences that you'd like to keep. Here you'll receive notifications. If you have any notifications, there will be a little red button appearing on top as well. So these are the main elements of inside your course that you need to be familiar with. Like I said, the navigation menu on this side, here's the menu, you can hide it and display it, and each of your learning units appears like this, and you'll have different activities also appearing like this down here listed, and you can also see a summary of all the activities inside this course, and you can easily click on it here as well or directly here. And that's all. Click and go back to the dashboard or go back home or go back to your courses to go to your other course. Thank you for watching and enjoy your courses and trainings on KIT Virtual Grants. Let us know if you have any questions.